True heroes right there. And it's so important that we do tell those stories. And if you see someone that has on a veteran hat, regardless of what they served in, we always try to say thank you for our freedom because they've done so much for each of us. It truly is a sacrifice. Today, we're not sacrificing any time to stay indoors. Get outside all you can. It is going to be absolutely lovely. Sunny, mild conditions, even a little warmer than yesterday. We are going to have a Storm 5 weather alert for Friday. And this is because there's a little bit of shear that just isn't sitting right with me. So because of that, we are going to call for that alert. That's going to go throughout the afternoon time frame. The good news is this is a fast moving system, so it's not going to be an overnight event. Now, some of us still dealing with it after dark, time change, but it's not looking to be an overnight situation at this time. And then, of course, major changes are on the way as another system will move through. It's not having a lot of moisture with it, but it will be a huge temperature changer, bringing the coldest temperatures so far this season. And we're talking about a hard freeze anticipated for Tuesday morning for everybody. That means 20s out there. Here's a live look for you right now. We're far from that for sure. Current temperature 49 degrees, overlooking a beautiful and currently calm Music City before the hustle and bustle out there. Over in Lebanon, y'all are at 53. Nice dry conditions. Visibility exquisite this morning, which is some great news because that fog has been a little fickle over the past 2 days. Temperatures, though, really reflecting that high pressure, drawing in some southerly flow. We've got 40s as well as the 50s to start off our morning. Dew points currently are also in the 40s, so it is dry out there. You may notice yourself needing some extra lotion, drinking extra water. Your throat feels a little bit on the drier side. That's going to start to change as winds will continue to be out of our south for just a bit, and we're going to have a little bit more southerly flow ahead of the system on Friday. Winds are going to be quite breezy, and that's going to make things start to feel a little sticky out there ahead of the system itself. But for today, easy, few passing clouds. Temperatures will head into the upper 60s at lunchtime. After lunch, we're going to be into the low to mid 70s. We make our way into Thursday. Little disturbance. It's dry. It moves in. Winds are out of our north. That's temporary. And then as we make our way into Friday, that's when winds get real windy ahead of the system itself. And that's when things are going to start to feel a little sticky out there. It's going to be warm. It's going to feel like you're almost in a hairdryer at times ahead of this storm system itself. So right around 1, 2 o'clock, we'll have a few isolated showers, a few thunderstorms, but the bulk of the system is looking to move in to our north and west, getting closer around 5, 6 o'clock. As it moves its way eastward, it does start to get a little more organized, and that's going to be the issue with this. Obviously, heavy downpours are anticipated, so visibility will be altered. We'll have momentarily some standing water during the heat of the system itself, a lot of gusty winds, and then because of that shear, cannot rule out a spin-up tornado with this. That's never to frighten you. I always just want you to have the tools you need and the knowledge to know what we're looking at. This is still a few days out. All of this truly could change, but you'll notice when it comes to the severe storm risk, the middle meat of Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky, a 2 out of 5. Main concern, damaging wind gusts. We're going to have some heavy downpours, but because of this setup, I cannot rule out some spin-up tornadoes with this system itself. That exits, our next system moves in with limited moisture, but a whole lot of cold air. Your 7-day forecast, 74 degrees today. Tomorrow, 71, a lot of sunshine. Storm 5 weather alert for Friday evening. Should be cleared out before midnight. Saturday, 70 degrees, some chance for a shower or two Saturday into Sunday. Sunday, very breezy, Ben. That 55 is going to feel like the 40s. Will be freezing Monday and real freezing as we make our way into Tuesday across the region.